Today we are looking at R7364 South Eastern Railway Platform Shelter. This is the unboxing. There we see the interior is modelled with a sticker inside, made in China. The top is smooth, and round the back the weatherboarding is modelled as a drain pipe. Here is a 360-degree view. Takes your breath away, doesn't it? This is the Hornby plastic platform shelter. I'm going to remove it and replace it with the one we're just looking at, the resin one. You can see that this resin shelter is slightly smaller than the plastic one, so if you've got limited space on your platform, then this is quite a good option. Comparing the two platform shelters side by side, you can see that the resin one is taller and this one is longer. This platform shelter is based upon the platform shelter at France, which appeared in the beginning of this video. This book, Down the Line to Hastings by Brian Jewell, has a picture of France Station, and there is the shelter. If we zoom in a bit, we can see the way that this has been done is not exactly as it would have originally appeared. This would not originally have been all been open like this. However, I think you could quite easily put some weatherboarding on here to make it back to the way that it would have originally looked. This book also shows France Station building. If you are wanting to do a southeastern station, then this is available as a Skaledale item. There we are. Let's zoom out a bit. Yes, this is a Skaledale item which I reviewed earlier, but you might like to compare it to the picture which is above. There's the picture. This building here on the left has also been released as a Skaledale item. It has been released as R7363 South Eastern Railway Station. Here shows the complete station. That's as it would appear from the line side. There again, this is as it appears from the line side. The only thing I would say about this is that the colour is not very realistic. You need to do a bit of work on it to make it look more authentic. I may make another video about this, and if you'd like me to do so, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.